This is the state of the wholesale fish market at Madal Fatada. It is in a pathetic state. People have to walk through these murky waters in the morning when they come to purchase fish. Now the Aam Aadmi Party has decided to honor the authorities for neglecting this market. The authorities are Goa Pollution Control Board, FDA, the SCPDA, the Health Department and the Environment Department.
The market has only gone from bad to worse. These are some of the photographs that I've clicked last week. Very easy to see that the market is today a health and an environmental hazard. Memorandums have been given to the collector, who is sitting just 100-150 meters away, and nothing happens. So we don't know which are these powerful forces who are protecting this market. The market functions as is. So we decided to be something different. Protests are not working, memorandums are not working. So we said maybe satire will work. So we are going to award and reward, name and shame certain authorities who are given the job of looking after this market but are failing spectacularly. So first and foremost, to the Goa State Pollution Control Board. Excellence in protecting River Sal, Lifeline of Salset Award. This is for Goa State Pollution Control Board, the very famous FDA. Excellence in U-Turn Award. The SPDA, which is in charge of this area. Excellence in Property Management Award. The Health Minister, Excellence in Being Clueless Award. And Protecting the Fish Mafia. Environment Ministry, the last winner. Excellence in Killing Us Softly.
At Murida Fatada, outside PWD, we can see many boards which highlights the importance of water. Inside also we have seen many boards which say save water, save life. But today people from Balda had to come to Murida PWD to meet the executive engineer to highlight on water wastage. They say that almost for many years precious water has been wasted at Balda.
ज्या प्रमाणे हे वॉटर वेस्ट जाता, आमचे हिंगासरले ते रावपी रेसिडेंट्स ते सांगता की हे आता 20 years जाले आणि एवरी 5 minutes there is a waste of 2000 liters of water. Precious हे आमचे कितें नॅचरल रिसोर्सीस कोणाक पडलेले ना. कितले हजारांनी लिटर्स ऑफ क्यूबिक मिटर्स ऑफ वॉटर इज बीन वेस्टेड. हे सरकाराक कांय हे ना, कांय तेंचे डिक्शनरीन डेमोक्रेसी म्हळ्यार कांय ना, तांकां स्वराज म्हळ्यार कांय खबर ना. तांकां कितें लोकांक जाय ते दिवपाचें, नाका ते नाका करपाचें.
Last 15 years that we are facing this problem of water. Water just gushes down from the hillock, goes in the drains, and it's terrible to see for a sensible person so much water going waste when we, the residents of that area, are not getting enough water.
Suzuki showroom Suzuki showroom side te Korea complex aate apna Korea complex gutter each of them. So whether it is overflow water from the GLR ka kite mate Korea complex. So ure ka Korea showroom memorandum di paila, they are almost 50 people are asking.
सिटी ग्रामाच्यो खबरो घेऊन परत मेळुया. तो मेरेन नमस्कार. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.